So it's better not to say in blessing. I mean, say every time we eat something, apple, bread, whatever, we must say every time, because sometimes, for example, Rav Revan said, I made the bracha before for water. But for example, for other food, apple or bread or vegetable, we must we say every time is better?
No, it's I don't have simple answer to a question. So we have to learn in this book. We're going to say, in some cases you are required to say separate bracha. In some cases it's absolutely forbidden to say extra bracha. And some brachas, when we say on this, let's say it's going to cover this food, but in some cases you say on this, and it's going to exclude others. So it's not, there is no simple one-line answer to the question.
For example, if I made, I eat a vegetable, I made the bracha, and then this was midday. Then at noon and evening, I ate again vegetables. I can say I made the bracha before and not.
No. Those are two different meals, so you have to say different brachos. Yes, this is clear case.
Okay.
So, but what bracha to make? For example, if you have apple and banana, and you have I don't know, tea. So what bracha to make, and in what sequence? That's what we're going to learn in this book. That's why we picked this book, because it's very important to know all the details.